Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your phone, and seeing money deposited into your account while you were asleep. No boss, no overtime, no stress, just steady, passive income flowing in. Now, what if I told you that reaching $100,000 in just 5 years is not only possible but highly achievable with the right investments? Most people think wealth is built through hard work alone. But the truth is, the wealthy don't just work for money, they make their money work for them. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same by leveraging the best passive income investments that most people completely overlook. Let's break it down. The rule of 100K. How to get there faster than you think. Reaching $100,000 in 5 years might sound like a lot, but it's just a numbers game. If you break it down, you only need to grow your money at about 20% per year. That's entirely possible if you invest smartly. Let's put it in perspective. If you start with just $5,000 and add $1,000 every month into the right investments, compounding will do the rest. The key is choosing assets that generate consistent returns and reinvesting every dollar. Now, let's talk about the investments that can make this happen. 1. Dividend stocks. Your money making more money. Dividend stocks are one of the simplest ways to build passive income. Instead of hoping for stock prices to skyrocket, you earn money just by holding shares in strong, stable companies. Think about companies like Johnson & Johnson, Coca-Cola, or Procter & Gamble. They pay dividends like clockwork, meaning they deposit money into your account just for being an investor. And the best part? Those dividends can be reinvested to buy even more shares, creating a compounding snowball effect. Let's do the math. If you invest $10,000 in a stock with a 5% dividend yield, you'll earn $500 a year. Reinvest those dividends, keep adding money, and your passive income will grow exponentially. It's one of the easiest and most reliable ways to create wealth over time. 2. REITs. Earning rental income without owning property. Real estate is a proven path to wealth, but not everyone wants the hassle of dealing with tenants, maintenance, and property taxes. That's where REITs, real estate investment trusts, come in. They allow you to invest in real estate without ever owning a single property. REITs are companies that own and manage income-generating real estate, like apartment buildings, shopping centers, and office spaces. They're required to pay out at least 90% of their profits as dividends to investors, making them an excellent source of passive income. For example, if you invest $10,000 in a REIT with a 7% dividend yield, you'll earn $700 a year, completely passively. And the best part? Many REITs appreciate in value over time, meaning you not only earn income but also see your investment grow. 3. ETFs. The smart investor's shortcut to wealth. If you don't want to spend hours researching stocks, ETFs, exchange-traded funds, are your best friend. They let you invest in a collection of top-performing companies, spreading your risk while still achieving strong returns. Some of the best ETFs for passive income include those that focus on dividend-paying stocks, real estate, or even bonds. A solid ETF like VYM or SCHD can provide a steady income stream while growing your wealth at the same time. Let's say you invest $1,000 every month into an ETF that returns 8% annually. In 5 years, you'd have over $75,000, even before considering dividends. It's one of the easiest ways to build wealth without constantly checking the stock market. 4. Passive crypto income, staking and yield farming. Now, I know crypto can be controversial, but hear me out. The right crypto investments can generate passive income through staking and yield farming, where you earn rewards just for holding certain assets. For example, staking Ethereum or Cardano can yield 5 to 10% annually. If you stake $10,000 in crypto, that's an extra $500 to $1,000 a year, without lifting a finger. Of course, crypto comes with risks, so it's essential to diversify and only invest what you can afford to hold long-term. 5. Digital assets. The investment that works while you sleep. One of the most overlooked ways to generate passive income is through digital assets. Things like online courses, ebooks, or even YouTube channels. Unlike traditional investments, digital assets require upfront work but can generate income indefinitely. Think about this. If you create a course and sell it for $50, and just 200 people buy it per year, that's $10,000 in completely passive income. The best part? You only create the product once, but it keeps making money for years. Platforms like Teachable, Gumroad, and Udemy make it easier than ever to monetize knowledge and skills. If you have expertise in any field, turning it into a digital asset can be one of the most lucrative passive income streams available. Why most people fail, and how you won't. The biggest reason people don't reach $100,000 in 5 years isn't because they don't make enough money, it's because they don't invest. They let fear, doubt, or procrastination hold them back while time keeps passing. Think about it. 5 years from now, you could be sitting on a 6-figure investment portfolio, or you could be in the exact same financial position you're in today. The choice is yours. Start small if you have to. Invest what you can, reinvest your returns, and let compounding work its magic. Wealth isn't built overnight, but it's built faster than most people think if you take the right steps today. Final thoughts. Your next move. By now, you've seen exactly how realistic it is to reach $100,000 in 5 years using smart, passive income investments. Dividend stocks, REITs, ETFs, crypto staking, and digital assets are powerful tools that the wealthy use every day to multiply their money. Now, it's your turn. What investment strategy excites you the most? Which one are you going to start today? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this valuable, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who needs to hear this. Subscribe to the channel for more insights on financial freedom, and I'll see you in the next video.